Troy?
That's it, not Colin.
Yeah. That's our friend Colin from church.
We're not going to be on a bush.
We're actually on the train, guys. We're actually on the train.
Did you? Yeah, we're being filmed. Someone took a picture of us.
Eh?
The train.
No!
Speeding up now.
Yeah, you're going for a second time. You're going
I know we're speeding up.
Hello. Again. It's speeding up the train again now.
You can't complain, Charlie. You've been on the ride on the train.
Yeah.
Ride a train.
Look at the sorts of glass. Look at them little.
We're in a minute.
Well, absolutely on the train here in Poole. If you just joined, we're on the train here at Poole Park on the Poole Railway.
Whooping us. Whooping us, or we're whooping up.